Hey, this is Roger Corey. I wanted to give a quick shout out to Hassan, who works with Go High Level. Really, just because I'm so impressed, and I really run into someone who can, um, well, who has the both the level of insight, but the attention to detail, and um, and just his grasp and knowledge and experience of and especially with the Go High Level platform. Um, he just made everything so much easier for me. I'd like to provide a very specific and very unique experience for my visitors to my website. I don't have the traditional funnel. I'm in the financial industry, financial services space, providing mentoring, coaching, and training on a particular methodology that I developed for accurate analysis in the financial markets. And so I have a very intimate mentoring program. And just from start to finish, when people come in and learn about me, I take them through a process where I'm educating them, but not really selling them. I require just a bunch of very unique aspects to my website. So it's not your typical just opt in and slam them with a bunch of marketing email, you know. So there's a more intimate experience, a more personalized, customized approach to each individual. And so I've struggled to really find the kind of help that I've needed to accomplish that vision. So apparently it's a lot more nuanced than it sounds like on the surface. And so I've struggled to find somebody that I really could rely upon. And Hassan really came through. He's extremely reliable. I trust him with everything, and he goes above and beyond. He goes out of his way to make sure that I get what I need. So never been happier, honestly. I've been in the space wrestling for years with developers. Hassan's really a cut above. So just want to say thank you to you, Hassan. And I just wanted to make this quick recording because I thought it would be helpful for others to know, especially because it's just so difficult to find somebody, just again, who's reliable, but who's knowledgeable and easy to communicate with. That's the other thing, is communication has been so easy with Hassan. We don't have any communication problems. So that's great. Keep up the great work, buddy. Thank you.